warrant service had an address in Puyallup for upwards of 200 rabbits for an animal cruelty investigation. This is an ongoing investigation that's been ongoing for several months. There was about a year break in between calls. The conditions have actually been getting worse over time as opposed to improving. So unfortunately, she was non-cooperative as far as requirements, and we're here serving a search warrant today. We'll just finish up getting a head count in here. I know there's at least one loose in here, and then we can come in and give you a hand in there. There's 70 rabbits just in that shed alone. We have been partnering with the Humane Society for Tacoma and Pierce County since January of 2005, when animal control was taken over by Pierce County. Well, the veterinarian is what is critical for us in the field right now, and her experience and knowledge regarding a situation that's very similar to this, that she's had experience in practicing. So having them directly on site, seeing the animals in their conditions and how they're being housed is extremely helpful for their care and follow-up care.
I'm Dr. Jennifer Bennett. I'm the Chief Veterinary Officer for the Humane Society of Tacoma and Pierce County. We're on site here today to triage the individual animals, look for medical conditions, care, and their individual status to help us assess them and understand what kind of future treatments and care we'll need to provide for them back at the shelter. We appreciate partnering today with Pierce County Animal Control for this on-site operation. We're really going to be relying on them for history and background information, and to continue partnering with them as we move forward in this case.
The partnership with the Humane Society means quite a bit because it's a good, safe location for the animals to go when a neglect situation is what we're dealing with right now. They have the vet staff that can provide the care and aftercare for the animals that are seized from the field.
Caring for this number of animals, over 200 rabbits in this case, is overwhelming for anyone. It's an all-day operation from sunup to sundown, even if you have some assistance. And we hope to carry on that work with our large team of staff and volunteers at the Humane Society for Tacoma and Pierce County. If you'd like to help us out in this operation, you can be part of our life-saving work by helping us with emergency donations and foster homes. And you can get more information about all of our needs on our website, which is thehumanesociety.org.